Okay, so today we are going to look at adding our numbers with regrouping in a different way than we did on the last lesson. So on today's lesson, we're going to look at vertically adding them, the numbers. So if I started with 26 and I added 7, we're going to look at it going this way. And it just depends on you and what you like. I find that this way is the easiest and the quickest way to get the sum of the two numbers, but again, that's up to you. Now, you could take your base 10 blocks and you could put 26 out and then 7, and then you could exchange the 10 for a rod, or we can look at it in this way. And I'm going to put a box up here. So that we know what to do there. All right, so I'm going to start with 6 plus 7. I know that 6 and 6 is 12, and one more is 13. So I know that 6 plus 7 is 13. Now here's the trick. When you write 13, you're going to put the 10s over, and then you're going to keep the 1s down here. So 3 is going to go here, and the 1 is going to go up here. So it's just like writing 13, but this is going up, and this is going down. Okay? Now I know that 2 plus 1 is 3, so 26 plus 7 is 33. Alright, we're going to do a couple more like this. Let's do 34 plus 8. Now something that's really important when you are writing your numbers or your addition problems vertically, they have to be lined up, okay? The 1s have to be in the 1s column. The 10s have to be in the 10s column. And when we get to where we add hundreds, they have to be in the hundreds column. Because if you're writing really sloppy and you said 234 plus 147, and then you might get them in the wrong column, and we don't want to do that. So making sure to write them nice and neat in each column. And I'll show you another way that we can do that here in just a few minutes. All right, 34 plus 8 equals. Well, I know that 8 and 2 more is 10. So if I take 2 from this and make 10 here, I'll have 2 left. Or I could take 8 and 4, I know is 12. So I'm going to put my 2 here. And then I'm going to carry my 1 over. 2 here, carry the 1 over. So 3 and 1 is 4, so the answer is 42. Okay? Alright, let's look at another one. 57 plus 4. 7 and 4. If I break this up to 3 and 1, I know that this is 10 plus 1 more is 11. 11. So 7 and 4 is 11. You don't have to have that box there. It just kind of helps us remember to carry the 1 over. So if it's 11, I'm going to write 11. There it is. 5 and 1 is 6. So the answer is 61. I'll do the next one without putting the red box up there, just so you can see it doesn't matter if that box is there or not. 79 plus 5. 9 and 5 is 14. Carry my 1 up here. 7 and 1 is 8. Now sometimes we forget to add that number to the 10s that are here. So it's really important that you're paying close attention and that you add that together, okay? All right, you're going to do some practice problems. I'm going to show you one more way on paper to do them, but then you're going to do your practice problems. They're in your book already. They have the little box up there, so just do your best. And we're going to build on this later in the week to where this is 2 numbers instead of 1, okay? So we're just going to keep building up a little bit, all right? Have a great day.